ene Lawyer Williams Kusi abekasa e de afa kwadu a e Ghana fo bi e de bono se wa ma ne homodi anase wa anya adwumaden amfa mo akosi asewa eno ne nam so e ma court case no odi ntwo poto no Kafaba media pages ni mesamo na ma subscribe ya like na ma share a comment amaye send update bi abantempa mo nsabe tumi akebi yina ye nimsem se her ladyship during Dan Smith ata ya jaja no wodi Akosua Serwaa no odobroni ene dadlumba busuamu nsem no odi saasam no odi ti Akosua Serwaa echemu se ne pepe so provide ye no se bibia nko pepepe enema bi atoto achewa ne nyina endimo na odobroni so evidence o provide ye no ono de wodi tumu eka se ampa odobroni so eye wo yere aye no ho ade enam so mobu asem ne se omumienu nyina enko no mu enkodi kuna na enam so ama Ghana fo binum eche se Lawyer Williams Kusi ammo no homaden krakrakrakra che se wa anya adwuma yie kura eno ne nam so ema odobroni timi twifa Akosua Serwaa so e wo court no na wasan so abechirem se eye pictures bi a odobroni provide ye no ensa na da so no we che se eye photoshop se o ma edit bibia kama na ensa na da ho no enye da dlumba ene odobroni nsa na omo aye editing e de aba be kire court na ma judge no egina so adi asam na de ama odobroni ni nkuti nsama Lawyer Williams Kusi o kan ye ba ye beto aso
Lawyer me mo akwaba. Good morning.
Morning.
Apo nwe.
Oko na nso.
Nyame adom me ho ye. Me gidi se bibia akoso kama.
Oh Yesu adom to bibia akoso.
Okay. Mpacho judgment na beto abonten ni nim se soft copy obi a read bia manfo ka ho asem. Bada ye court room ho na am read ye no me gidi se ye nyina ate reporters say there is 74 pages. Na mo saka hard copies no.
And no I'm saka hard copy no.
Na how many pages?
It is 74 pages.
74 pages.
Yes.
And a soft copy na about to see 49 pages.
In fact, I don't know the explanation for it. And I don't know who said that one. But thereby, and the United States 49 we one is at the end year free. But sincerely, when the final copy came, I got 74 pages.
Okay. And one and into.
And happy, you had 74 pages, and yet there were 49.
Okay. Now also person clarify certain things about
there's propaganda going around there. I'm saying a man you certified.
Okay.
And the reports I'm having is a judgment in the room. So judge is my opportunity to correct to find man. It cannot be true. And I want to draw the attention of the public says judge my judgment. When I do area the no be favor I don't know because that's the me sure say now court to them or most of the things that went on you heard them.
If I child.
People will read the judgment now. My remember one typical example. The evidence to show say Odobroni any lumba warrior Odobroni di buy na obi nsa ne yakotwa abetare Odobroni ni lumba. We led evidence to that effect. Cross-examine Abusuapanyin who admitted that the hand on the chest is not well positioned because the tomb no akodi baby or say kitwa no sakitwa ne kodi.
Okay.
And that was very serious. Sell photo shopping. And they better testify or court say weigh evidence the judge never spoke about it. That is another story. But the most important one I have to talk about is the certification of the documents.
And you see, I had to say, I say procedural, and I say when to me and you were doing a year. I want to person clarify,
Exactly.
Until what process now as your chamber and more fast what more the anka ojidi say anka or timwa for the bit me ajetu.
We applied to the Ghana embassy in Germany.
Okay.
For certification.
Okay.
In fact, we took a hard copy of a letter and then we did the email. More so, we sent the letter to our client. And then Nehuni Paba could be Germany. So Omonko Ghana embassy. no munko certified document no pambra. At the time of the hearing of the case, that was not available. We told the judge about our difficulty in getting them.
Okay.
Now we proceeded because we have section 1613 now. It gives us a leeway. So where nyampo na say no kura say mra ma okwan ya dia also court nji tum. That's what the law says. So nyam na make one.
Okay.
Section 161 subsection 3 of the Evidence Act and the cancer.
Okay.
It was we fell within it. And let me add that your tender marriage certificate in Germany
Okay.
it has been translated and notarized from Germany. Your tender na English and no German. And yeah, the bag Ghana said the Institute of Languages. Amuko translate here. And in all the translated versions, it is written on top marriage certificate. And the judge can say, the bag marriage certificate na extract.
Extract.
And if on free. Sir, Institute of Languages, no document, no. It's not a document from our expert.
Okay.
Why doesn't he agree to it? And if you add these things to the efforts we made, the letter from German embassy, you can't close your eyes and say, because the document was not certified, because section 1613 has given a leeway. There was other evidences that would make a court convinced, said there was a certificate and that there was a marriage. And especially lawyers now, review proceedings now, conclude, say, we subpoenaed a witness from the German embassy, they didn't come.
Okay.
And that one is on the face of the record because it was a subpoena, a copy is on the file. And for not, they should rather look at the evidence before the court and the kind of conclusion that the judge came to. As though she wasn't present or she didn't read the evidence of the abuse under cross-examination. The facts of the marriage,
Okay.
to put the certification aside, although Bruni witness did to Mr. Lumba Nankaze being an occasion to Wawari or Germany. And so that was settled in law. The rest was the certificate. And the certification was not done not because we did not attempt. When a woman who junction as you are ready to hear the case before the date of the inti, 2 weeks was saying and both parties agreed. You see, we waited for the certification to the date of judgment. And the law permits or allows for that. Say law no allow any share is okay. That would have been different. But before we proceeded, we looked at the law, which gave us a leeway and the judge a discretion to accept the document as it is. And then that it can never be true. And we are overly commenting on the judgment because of those statements. What the judge wrote, most of them were not reflective. And so I say, one man to say me call certificate. It can never be true. In fact, it even goes to support our case. There were difficulties with getting the certification. And we did a diligent work. In fact, we led evidence apart from that, which was overwhelming. The judge refused to see or say the most credible evidence was the witness who came and told the court, say, Okwa Wadienibi, Nana, that Lumba Ashe, Captain.
Yeah.
When more evidence on the bar, not that the Juba suit. So, and that evidence is credible to the woman.
Okay. And I
And
think that some misconception say your law firm and me are more homework in terms of procedure no na opposite me what clear honor the Eddie Mayen.
exactly. We did everything legally possible to get the document certified.
Okay.
And the judge was aware. The law permits us to do that. And we did that. If the judge says, Obi Abawari Abrochebia, so be didn't ask Magaji of the lawyer free Chromo Bar, Sabi, na lawmakers no omu free moon and some free sky say ube dia dance Ghana this all for lawyer free Germany when ube dia dance ma is that possible?
No.
That would that I mean assist justice? I'm not sure that's what the lawmaker wanted to do. And if you call a sovereign state so testify no so ma, can you force them?
No, you can't force them.
You can't.
But now
They
man
have
to
diplomatic
patch say
immunity.
especially expert witness now. Also no explanation. Also read the judgment baby also no explanation. No explanation. Especially signatories now a war marriage certificate in here. No here dini adena. It seems as a very similar, but person is it a duty bound on the court to sometimes also verify some of this before answer or make a conclusion?
That is what section 1613 says. The court will not an investigation. You get the point.
Okay.
And now there's a presumption in law. You see, every official document is presumed to be genuine unless it is rebutted.
Okay.
And the mem crata be genuine. This will be a proof say and genuine. What was that here?
Ntin pa kono kan say yem fan say picture omo de buy say omo de buy no object here say we enye picture na ye photoshop nti eno no
Sir,
hwan na betumi akɔhwehwɛ mu ahunu say ne wo kan na ye ne kra na so mo de na ye ne kra
we could have called an expert,
forensic audit.
yes, to come and testify to it. But when there wasn't a need, and that time no but it was evidence ubia
Doctor
where
Biano.
media be say and you don't
Okay.
need an expert to prove it because
Okay.
and Sunday done a bona you right no and left in the down.
Oh,
And what I did in cross examination is that I took time to question the witness and Sunday that when I left and right was say right hand and I'm say right hand only say ring yeah they say left or say they say left and so name nkula ma bɔ mutim di hɛ baabi ɔmo pɛ I'm say that's okay and I'm say okay fa nsa to obo fa right hand to obo o de to fa left hand to obo so right hand na right to obo o de to obo a okokoro moti no ɛkwa he na ɛwɔ ɛna ɔsɛ bɛba o right now to look at the picture kokoro moti no wɔ left ɔsɛ ampa and so would you agree with me say ɛnyɛ ɔsɛ hi you get the point
yeah.
so obviously I did the work I didn't need an expert because it was obvious.
Okay.
But this very important fact, yeah, will be able to civil court. The judge in the judgment behaved as if she didn't even see it, and
Okay.
rather said that that evidence was credible.
Okay.
And obviously, we did our case. For whatever reason, the judge decided to give the judgment the way she did. What we have to do is to go on appeal. That social media comments, that has necessitated this explanation
Okay. And
because it
yes,
is not true.
okay. And me da se bebre say wafa kwanya we sina especially eno hu ne na ehia ye pa say bebre na pa kire say say baby when I want you adwuma ye procedure no your law firm didn't do well no but wafa kwanya we sina wa chichirim say enye sa na ti na mo fa kwan bi aso make sure say I didn't be certified but one or two reasons you know and a judgment in the back me da was bebre say wafa kwanya we sina wa clarify the area mine
That's the me soft copy of letters. I'm here. We have send a copy.
mpacho mate
when is sama lawyer Williams Kusi waka edi afa accusation a enkrofo binom ede bono so wa momoden ammo Akosua Serwaa e won the court case ni mu ene nam so e modobroni etwifa no so wo court no eno abekire mu na appeal no so de kia ne ke ose ebeba so omo be pratentene ne anase pepepeyo edi amama me Akosua Serwaa kafaba media pages ni mesra mo na ma subscribe no ma like a share a comment amaye send it update bi abantempa monsabitu mi akabi me de da che hema ike akwa atema makram